G'day everyone! We're doing a harvest of our mini watermelons for the first time today, so I thought I'd give a whip around the backyard, check out how some of the other things are doing, and have a teeny tiny another weigh-in for Shed Wars. Let's check it out! This is our veggie coop. It's been going for a couple of years now. Things like the strawberries, the parsley, and a few other bits and bobs have been kind of growing on their own for a while with not much help from us. The spring onions were actually from scraps that we regrew in a glass of water, if you've watched some of our earlier videos. The capsicums have been growing for about 2 or 3 years now. These ones have just about had their day, so I think I'll chop them off now and bring them inside. Silver beet and the rainbow chard have just been going off tap for the last couple of seasons. You can see how thick that stalk is now. It's been a bit crazy. We chopped it right back, but it just keeps growing back and back. There's carrots in there. I don't think they're going to turn out very well. From there we head on through to Betty's garden party section of the backyard. Always nice to see a cactus or two. Tomatoes are on their last legs of the season. We want to pick these before the birds do. The basil has regrown back and is still thriving. Here's Mo, super infatuated with the pigeons behind the fence. Here's some of our new babies. We aren't sure how much longer they'll get direct sunlight for, so we hope they go okay. Today is the day we start harvesting our mini watermelons. They are the sugar baby variety and have been really fun to watch grow. Just a few capsicums here for a splash of colour, and it's time for another little weigh-in. The watermelons tasted just as good as they look. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next adventure.